Old Alabama Gardener. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the kraut that I have been making. Slicing them pretty thick because I'm also going to cut them in half. Like this right here. We need a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to use avocado oil. Alright, so we're going to kind of brown them on the sides. We have our sausage cooked the way I want it. There's the kraut that I've been making. So we're going to put kraut into here. Let me get the heat back on it here. How much? How much do you want? Making enough for both me and my wife, so having a little more there. Put a cover on it. Okay, that's done as I want it. Now we got something in the oven we need to get out. This is baked sweet potatoes. So what I'm going to do, split it so I can get the peeling off. And we're going to put on a little bit of butter. And a sprinkle of salt. That's pink salt. Okay, we'll move that over to the side. Now we'll get us some kraut and sausage here. Now on the kraut and sausage, on the side, I like to have a little bit of yellow mustard. And I'm going to have with this a piece of millet bread. It's almost like cornbread, but it's made with millet. But again, on that one too, I want some butter. Since we have a hot oven, I'm going to set it in the oven. And this is black-eyed peas that I cooked in an Instant Pot. But I want them in a bowl. Now into the black-eyed peas, we want a little bit of pepper salts. So I'll use where I've canned jalapeno peppers. Put that in there. We also need a little bit of chopped onion. And I didn't put any salt in there, so I better give it a little bit of salt. And when I do black-eyed peas, I always mash some of them, because that's going to make them release their flavor up the whole dish. I usually mash about a fourth of them. Now let me grab my millet bread. So there's my supper. Millet bread, baked sweet potato, kraut and sausage, a little bit of mustard on the side, black-eyed peas. So I'm ready to sit down and eat.